Happy Thanksgiving from our Fuse family to yours. On this special day, we want to take a moment to share what we're thankful to you for. All the ways you make a difference to us, your trust, your loyalty, your flexibility, your reviews, of course, your stories, your positive energy, your occasional criticism, it makes us better, your open-mindedness, your collaboration, your unwavering support. We are grateful for each and every one of you. We promise to keep delivering the best quality service to your homes. Happy Thanksgiving!